Welcome to the Merch On channel. My name is Matthew. If you're new here and you find this content valuable, please take a second, hit the subscribe button, hit like on this video, and drop a comment below and let me know what you thought about it. In this video, we're going to talk about Merch Informer, specifically the Merch Archive. So if you don't know what the Merch Archive is, it gives you the ability to basically go back in time to see what sold at any given point in history on Amazon. So for instance, it's currently June. We're going to go back and look at what sold last July. So you could just hit this button up here. Now obviously last year was a difficult time for everyone, so things could vary. But if you look at, let's look at July 1st, you could just hit that. You'll be able to see like the top shirts that sold during that time. Obviously like 4th of July, you can see more 4th of July. And it tells you estimated sales, 95. Obviously the election was going on last year, so some things won't apply, but you could take this information, figure out what niches you could be designing for. But if you go all the way down, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go to 5, it'll go to like top 500. Because a lot of times it'd be easier to design for something that's in the lower portion versus the top selling design. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of this stuff, like you can't design for like Jurassic Park and bands and stuff like that. But you can see like 4th of July, which is coming up very soon. And what's also cool is you can go to currently US, UK, and Germany. A lot of times you want to try to design a couple months in advance. Let's look at see what's sold in August. Let's go to 12th. So like this here was like for teachers. You know, everybody was like virtual because of the pandemic and all. You can see like this birthday shirt had estimated sales of 189. So it just kind of gives you ideas on how you could, what you could design for, like anime or kawaii, Japanese style. So it seems like birthday type shirts are good sellers. Kindergarten, so school shirts. It really could just get your mind thinking about, what's going to sell. Generally, history will repeat itself. So let's look at let's go all the way to like October. And if you're not signed up for Merch Informer, you can try a free 3-day trial below. But there's so many tools built in the Merch Informer that's definitely worth it. Plus, you get graphics, you get the Merch Academy, you get the designer tool, the lister, all the research tools, trademark check. So if you're really serious about Merch by Amazon and all, this is definitely a great tool to have in your arsenal. So let's go there and let's go to October and just see. So like video games, 360 estimated sales. Don't try to make money off people that died. You can see like Halloween. No, I'd probably stay away from that. That's Pac-Man. But you can see a lot of the kind of like the Halloween stuff starts to pick up big time. And you're like costume. This is obviously from SpongeBob, but people like costume style shirts that they could wear at Halloween. As you can see, like stay away from like the Disney stuff, but you can come up with some creative like costume designs that people might would buy to wear, instead of wearing like some traditional costume or something. Another thing to do is like follow what like your major brands are doing. That'll tell you a lot. Like so Disney, they're making like costume style designs. So that gives you a good indication. They probably have a whole team that like researches. That's just an indication that hey, these style designs work. Definitely don't copy what they're doing, but come up with something creative. If it's a pirate type design or something like suspenders or something unique that makes it look like they're wearing something other than just a t-shirt. Anyways, if you've enjoyed this video, please take a second and subscribe. Also, you can check out Merch Informer at the link below. And we will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.